58 lang din.
Study of the Constitution to be part of the curriculum. So currently, the 1987 Constitution is a required part of the school curriculum. Before, Filipinos, especially the students, had a little knowledge about it because it is not mandatory under the 1935 Charter or Constitution.
35
They gave importance in including the Constitution in the curriculum because it ensures that the Filipino understands their fundamental rights and their roles in the society. And by studying the Constitution, we will understand noble ideas and basic principles that keep our country united. It highlights the importance of laws and freedom in a democratic society. Third is that it raises political awareness. It improves our political literacy. It helps the citizens identify and exercise their rights and responsibility. And people will understand their duties towards one another, the government, and the nation. Fourth is that it encourages a responsible citizen. Knowledge about the Constitution fosters respect for human rights. It helps the youth appreciate the government and their role in nation building, and it promotes social responsibility, making individuals better and more engaged citizens. The educational aims of the school. Okay, so the importance of Gaudis education, it builds a national identity and confidence. Gaudis education helps students appreciate their country's history and their heroes. Like their histories and why is the non-Gaudis education? Without it, people may feel less connected to their nation, and then they will easily accept foreign ideas without thinking critically. Also, balancing moral and practical skills. Education should teach values and useful skills. Focusing only on skills can make people work without purpose or a sense of direction. And too much naman focus on spiritually or morals may not prepare them for their real life challenges. Third is that shaping a responsible citizen. Without a Gaudis education, people may become selfish, undisciplined, and rude. Learning values like honesty, hard work, and sacrifices helps create a responsible and productive citizens. Fourth is it helps the country grow. It helps the nation progress. People's character, the progress of the nation doesn't depend solely on the economy, but on its people's character, like strong values, hard work ethic, and social responsibility. Help the country move forward. Okay, so there are roles of other sectors in education and youth. So education, as what Tamsin have said, is a shared responsibility. Although schools play a major role in education, pero nag-took part in other sectors like the families, religious groups, businesses, the government, and media also influence the child's learning and values. So second is the parents as the primary educators. Parents are responsible for their child's moral upbringing since yung child is nag-spend more time at home than in school. So parents must set a good example and teach them a proper good values. And the influence of society and leaders. So although the school teaches love for country and good values, pero yung leaders, like for example, mga government officials in the community, does not set a good example
okay, I see that. But at the same time, continuous bond reporter. Yes. Sorry when you're already done.
Section 10 for Science and Technology. Section 10, the Science and Technology for National Progress. So the government prioritizes research and innovation and technological advancement for national development. It supports local scientific advancement and their application to industries and daily life. Section 11, encouraging private sector development. So Congress may offer incentives like tax deduction to private sector to encourage them to invest in research. Also, scholarship grants will be given to outstanding science students, researchers, and inventors. Like for example, for students is the DOST, wherein they finance the mga STEM-related programs. And section
May scholar ba yun ng DOST? Yan, dalawa. Alam mo pala ang education na basta science related?
Science management.
Yan na.
Technology transfer and operations, as stated in Section 12, the government regulates and promotes the use of technology from different for national benefits. Private groups, local government, and communities are encouraged to participate in technological advancement. 13 is the protection of
Make na ka nail cutter.
ensures that
Mika.
inventors, artists, and gifted individuals have exclusive right
Naka nail cutter. Ulam ko, Mi.
are legally recognized as the owner of their work and can benefit from their invention, discoveries, or artistic
Saan ko na?
Ako yun, nandang buhit ni Alili.
Okay naman ko.
And
Ako din naman
it's the science technology for national
May sa
development.
likod kasi
The first one is prioritizing research and innovation, supporting research, invention, and science education to boost the development, and encouraging local scientific growth, promoting self-reliance and practical technological advancements. Third is like providing scholarship, and fourth is regulating the technology transfer. Nag-encourage sila to adopt technology for national benefit. Fifth is to encourage private and local involvement. Like for example is mag-invest in mga businesses, local government, and communities in scientific progress. And sixth is protecting intellectual property, securing rights for inventions, and encourage for them to encourage more discoveries. So rights and intellectual. So protection of the intellectual property. The Constitution grants the right to scientists, inventors, and they beneficially gain recognition, especially for their works and for their works for that helps society. That helps society.
Ano di kaya rin?
Nado.